Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet C10 rare big back window truck. I can't say enough about this thing. This truck is absolutely stunning. My buddy Scott out of Tennessee is when he found me this truck. He was just as excited for me to get it because he knew I was going to love it. This is my favorite body style. I actually have one of these trucks at home. And let me tell you something, guys. This truck is killer. 1,000 miles, or actually getting ready to turn 1,100 miles on a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. This truck is killer. Love the color combination. It's tuxedo black, and then it's got a pearl white top with a pearl white insert down the center. Brand new, I think these are called Tech 5 Billet Specialty wheels all the way around it. Killer truck, man. Beautiful restoration. I mean, there's not really much that I can really pick at. I didn't even see any real stone pecks or touch-up marks. So just super nice. Chrome and stainless, that stuff's all new. Beautiful truck. Sorry about the dust, but just is what it is out here. All new glass. Again, I love the pearl top. That's beautiful. Look how nicely they finished the wood. I mean, that is gorgeous. And again, this is a big back window. I've got the small back window. And definitely easier to drive these trucks with that big back window in it. I mean, this truck is turn the key, take it to the car show. I love the brake lights on these trucks. Got custom rear valence here, which I really like. I like how they did the Chevrolet outlined in white. Brand new rubber, brand new wheels. That's Billet Specialties' latest wheel. And like I say, you look underneath, it's just as nice underneath. Magnaflow dual exhaust. If you're seeing that, that's just, I don't know, a little wax or something the guys missed. Yeah, same thing, that's just something, a little wax. Look how nice that truck is. You want to talk about a little sweetheart right here. Again, I love the pearl white insert. Front disc brakes. And again, it's a complete frame off rotisserie restoration. Nothing crazy underneath the hood here. Just a 350 Chevy small block, Edelbrock 4-barrel, aluminum intake. Does have a nice set of headers. Aluminum radiator. Has aftermarket AC. HEI distributor in there. Finned aluminum valve covers. Of course, it's power steering, automatic transmission. But just look how detailed, I mean, how nice this thing is. All stainless bolts here. Killer truck. And drives just as sweet as can be. I mean, they've replaced all this stainless. I mean, they've done a gorgeous job on this truck. Custom side mirror, new door handles. See how nice the doors are and everything. This leather seat, very nice, again, brand new. They just refurbished the factory steering wheel. Headliner's nice. Just really a stock dash that they've refurbished. The gauges are nice and clean. It's got an aftermarket Retrosounds radio in it. It all works. Again, Magnaflow dual exhaust. Stock rear axle, nothing crazy. It's got a lowering kit on it, and I know they've C-notched the frame. Custom fuel tank. So they removed the fuel tank and put it back here from inside the cab. And again, you put mirrors underneath it and take it to the show. Door seams are beautiful. I love how they did this. There's a finish on those, which is cool. It's got a complete custom sound system with, you know, speakers in the kick panels. Killer truck. Just runs just as sweet as can be. Maybe just get your air on, it blows ice cold. I love this body style. This is just, I've had a red one not too long ago, sold that one. Want a blue one now. I mean, I love these trucks. All your gauges are functional. Again, 1,099 miles on it. Everything opens and closes real nice. Great sound. That's a Magnaflow dual exhaust. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, and everything, the fit and finish is great on that truck. I love those too, man. I love those front mark running lights up in the hood. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys!